Okay. Good evening to all of you, all the audience, students and spectators. This is Karmal Khichad for Saraswati Public Senior Secondary School, Jandwa, Churu, Rajasthan. As you know that I am the director of this school. I have rendered 17 years service in the military and I got retirement in 1995 and I got the appointment of senior teacher of English in government senior secondary school Daudsar, that is located in Ratngarh, Churu district, Rajasthan, India. After rendering the 17 years service in army, I was very anxious to join the education department as a teacher and I fulfilled by that desire. But in my life, I had decided that there are two objectives in my life, that is the short objective and the long objective. That is the short objective is that when a man wake up in the early morning, he wants to fulfill the desire from morning to evening, and long objective is that the man who wants to complete the whole works or the aims and purpose in the entire his life. When a man thinks about the short objective and long objective, so many problems will come in your life, but you have to sort out them with bravery, enthusiasm. Now you know as that the man who faces the main problems in his life, he will also solve this problem. He has the courage. His sentiment is always towards the positive things. I want to tell you the example of one thing of your life. What? When you are thinking in your mind, then two things are created. First is negative thoughts and second is positive thoughts. Negative thoughts always takes the man towards the corpse. That is the cremation. You can say that the aim of the man has finished at that point when he was thinking about the negative at all moments. When the man is thinking about the positive thoughts, then the positive thoughts creates the two things. That is the consideration and contemplation. Every time in his mind the positive thoughts are going in the mind, then the positive thoughts are passed on to the soul and soul become very strong and very enthusiastic and very brave. Then he will get the all the works which are thought in his mind and he will fulfill his all desires. I want to give an example of the life. Suppose there are two persons. One is thinking that today I will get 5-10 works completed in my life in the whole day, and another person, second person thinking that I will get 20 works to be completed by me in this today. Now the man who thought about only fulfill the 10 aims, who thought about only the 10 aims, he got acquirement of only the 5 works out of 10. Then the percentage of the achievement is only 50%. And the man, second person, thought about the 20 aims to be completed by him in his whole day. Then he acquired only 5 works to be completed. It means he got only 25%, that person, second person got only 25% achievement in the whole day. and he became very sad. Instead of a 10, he got only 5. Then the first person is very happier than the second person. Hence, we should not think about more the achievement. We think from the morning to the evening, what I can do, that should be done. If you think only the 5 things and you have completed 5 things, you have achieved the aims, number of the aims, that is the 5, it means you have got the 100% works done by you, and that is your happiness, and your mind will be very positive. Your soul will get the nutrition from your mind to that is the soul. It will go from mind to the soul. If you will think about more achievement or more purpose and more aims, then you will get the less aim to be completed by you, then it will demoralize you. Moralize and demoralize. If you will think positive, then your mind will be moral up. And if you think negative, then your mind will be demoralized. Hence, man should always think about the positive things. Yes. For example, I want to tell you, a student get up in the early morning, he thinks that I should learn the 5 questions. Out of 5 questions, he completed the 2.5, 3 questions, got the answer of the, learned the answer of the 5 questions, 3 questions. And one student got 10 questions to be completed or to be learned by him, but he learned only the 5. Then he only learned the 2.5. The percentage is decreased the second student. He will not be more happy. Now, gentlemen, second inspiration streamline, I want to tell you that India is facing a very crucial position, that is the COVID-19, but India is very brave. It will defend the country from the COVID-19, and central government and state governments of all the states is very strong, and there will be no any problem. But we are facing the problem. The number of the patients of COVID-19 are going to be increased day by day, but mortality is very less. Hence, we have to observe all the social distancing, wearing the mask, and washing using the sanitize, etc. You should also think about positive. Don't think that the COVID-19 can do anything harm to you. It will not do any harm to you. Yes, mortality rate means the person who was going to die due to this COVID-19, that is the as per the government statistics saying that those persons who are suffering from the other disease, they are dying more and more. So don't worry about the COVID-19. And from the student, I want to say that you must study more and more. The exam of the 12th class of math has completed yesterday, and it was very fantastic, and all the students became very happy, though they did not get the option in the paper, but they are brave and they are intelligent, they have done the paper well, and it is we are grateful to the Honorable Chief Minister Ashok Ji Gehlot that you have done very well. Now the remaining papers of 12th class and 10th class will be completed in the next few days, and we will be very brave. We will be ready to open the schools as per the government norms and guidelines. We will follow it. There will be no any problem. Regarding the fees of the students, those parents are facing the financial crisis. Though the whole world is facing the social crisis, I don't want to say that only the India is facing the financial crisis, but whole world is facing the financial crisis, even from beggar to the millionaire. So we are not afraid of it. We will adjust it. We will try to adjust the students in the school. You pay the monthly fees, but don't worry about it. We are here. We will do your help in all respect, in regarding the education, regarding the fees, regarding the transportation, regarding anything else. We are ready to help you from all angles. If one angle will be created of the triangle, then it will become the square. We are ready to make the square. I think that the students or the men who are hearing my this inspiration motivational lecture, they are hearing that there are triangle. If we will make a one angle of the triangle, we will make the right, then there will be no problem to become the square. I want to say that अगर त्रिकोण है उसका एक एंगल सही कर दोगे तो आपका स्क्वायर बन जाएगा, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है. I want to say more and more about that. About my school, the admission has started through the phone or through the visiting by one. If you want to get the admission of your child in school, Saraswati Public Senior Secondary School, Jandwa, either from the first class to the 12th class, after the result and advance, that you can say the provisional admission, you can get it, and you don't think about that the money and the fees, it will be adjusted. But as far as my concern is that I will put my full strength to run the school in my this Rajasthan state. I love my country, I love my state, I love my district, I love my tehsil, I love my village too much. I love the citizen of my country, and I being a Fauji or being a military ex-serviceman, I am very brave. If the government required my service on the border, I am ready to go there. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Dhanyavad. Thank you, lot of thanks for hearing my this channel. Please subscribe it more and more.